Good day, future employer. My name is Rubilin Romero, 34 years old, happily married, blessed with 2 children, 1 girl and 1 boy. Their age are 14 and 6. I have work experience in UAE for 1 year and 11 months. I have served 5 members of the family, 2 adults, 2 children, ages 7 and 4, and 1 baby 11 months old. My main duties and responsibilities are cleaning, washing, ironing, and taking care of the children. I have also work experience in Malaysia for 2 years and 3 months. I have served 2 members of the family, 2 adults. My main duties and responsibilities are cleaning, washing clothes, washing cars, and ironing. I am also good in taking care of the children. I am honest, kind, responsible, and hardworking person. I want to work in Hong Kong for the good future of my family, especially to my children. Thank you and hope to see you soon.